that want to take your money or scam you, okay? So, with that said, you have to know how to invest, all right? So, you have to know exactly what you're investing in, okay? Now, you don't just throw money into anything, okay? So I've already explained to you, so that's the first part of investment, what it is that Bitcoin is and what it is, why it was developed and what it's for, okay? You can go anywhere with Bitcoin. You can buy a Mercedes, you can go buy a house, you can go buy whatever you choose. You can pay for your cell phone bill, whatever you want to use Bitcoin for, it's there for you to use it, and it's to defend against fraudulent governments that wants to tax you and steal your money and do nothing with your money except for going to lavish luxury hotels and spending $900 for a cup of tea. I hope that makes sense, okay? Because they are not making sense. Now that you understand what that business and that investment is for, okay? Now, the second thing you're going to need to know, all right, is how to invest, meaning when to take your money out, when to keep your money in, when to take your money out and purchase another asset, when to take your money and do things accordingly that will position you into a wealth building magnet. All right. So, for an example, I gave you a prime example. When my Bitcoin fluctuated and went up, I took certain percentage out and I invested in something else. When it went back up, I took some more out, but I left something in. And you have to understand that is a strategy that I am using to build wealth and do certain things. When I took some of that money out, okay, I also went and paid for a computer, a laptop, a MacBook Pro, the most expensive MacBook, the most expensive computer you can find in the market, because I understand where this is going. Everything is going to computers, computer concepts. The more you understand computers and computer concepts, you will too take some of your earnings and go buy you a MacBook Pro, because that's the way you're going to be able to make more money online using your computer, okay? All right, so now, the third thing is basically just dealing with your mind, okay? Dealing with your mind, okay? You cannot get afraid when you see the Bitcoin price go down, okay? You can't, oh, I'm losing money, I'm going to jump out of it because I've lost only $5. No. Or I lost a couple $100. No. You don't do that, okay? You let the money sit in there. You have to have a stable mindset of, I am going to ride this thing out and I am going to let this make money for me. I am not going to act as if I'm some unstable person and try to snatch my money out because I see some of the value of the Bitcoin going down. That's going to happen, all right? Let it happen, all right? But it will rise back up. When it does, fine, you'll make money, all right? But you need to be in that investment mindset as opposed of the other mindset that most people are in, all right? Over and out. Take it easy.